Want to apply for jobs in Canada through the official government website? Most people do it wrong and never get a reply. In this video, I will show you exactly how to apply for jobs using JobBank Canada, step by step, and how to increase your chances of getting noticed by employers. Go to JobBank and create your account. This is very simple account using your email address, name, date of birth, your phone number and address as well. Fill in your profile details carefully, including job preference, location, and work experience, because employers may search your profile directly. Complete your profile 100% and add your skill, education, and work history. Upload a proper Canadian style CV because an incomplete profile reduces your visibility. Use filters like job title, location, salary, and job type. And most important, look for LMI available or employers open to hire foreign workers. This increases your chances if you are outside Canada. Always check requirements, responsibilities, and application method. Some jobs allow directly apply through JobBank, others redirect you to the company's official website or email applications. Submit your CV and cover letter if required. Always customize your CV based on job description. Also cover letter, follow instruction exactly. Missing details can lead to instant rejection. Keep track of jobs you apply for, and if possible, search the company on LinkedIn and find recruiters or HR and send them a professional short message to express your interest. Apply daily, don't rely on one application. Avoid fake offers or agencies asking for money. And remember, JobBank is competitive. No, combine it with LinkedIn and other job platforms. If you want a full tutorial on how to contact employers directly and get a response, check my next video. Thank you for watching.